Hey guys, it's Algo Aspire here, coming to you with another video. I want to quickly run through this. We got the market opening in a few hours, so I just wanted to give you the settings one last time so you guys could see. Um, I want us to make some money today, so here we go, real quick. You're gonna go to that 1 minute chart. You're gonna go to the JMA, which is the Zurich line. That's gonna be set at 12, 15, 1. Open, high, low, close, 4. You're going to go to um, your support and resistance. That should be set at 15, 15, 20. You're going to go to the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts. That's just default. Um, I took off some stuff so I could see the charts better, so you guys could do the same thing. That was really it for that one. And I took the fair value gaps off, daily highs, weeklies, stuff like that. I just want to see the premium, equilibrium, and discounts, really, is all I'm caring about. Take this off. Oh, yes, sorry, last thing. The high volume by XDCal, you're going to set those settings to 610, 610, 3, 1.5, 0.5, negative 0.5. Everything else I left the same. I didn't change any colors or anything like that. Just let this do whatever it's going to do um, whenever these candle colors change. 610, 610, 3, 1.5, 0.5, negative 0.5. That's the settings I have for my 1 minute chart. So there you go. There's a quick rundown of what the settings should be for everything on the 1 minute chart. And you're just going to copy whatever you want on any other chart that you have here. You just go to those three lines or three dots. You copy it, and then you just paste it over here into this box, and it'll just appear if you want it over there. I don't use the Zurich line for any other time frame. I just use it just for the 1 minute chart because it's my confirmation entry indicator. Um, Here's the adaptive trend flow, which is this green cloud that's down here. That's set at 6, 14, 2. And the color is green and purple. So you can see here the volume is kind of all over the place. Pre-market, we did get some red volume. So you could have taken a trade this morning because we did get some red volume, but still it's all over the place. And I don't trade the pre-market because of it being all over the place. But look how it gave a good entry here, turned red over here. You could have took an entry here and could have ran it up, but this is not the best type of trading during this time. A lot of times, it's very rare that you get red candles pre-market. That was this for this one. The adaptive trend is that setting on this chart, which is another 15-minute chart. This adaptive trend is set at 10, 14, and 2. And of course, we definitely need the activity and volume comparison. That's set at standard 70, 20, 30, 7. That's standard, no changes on that at all. I can see we have some volume right around that's interesting. Whenever I looked earlier, this volume was higher, buying was here, and now it's 86,000 selling. So it's interesting that it didn't. It changed. So that's really it for the video. I'll check you guys later. We're gonna be on shooting live. You guys gonna see how I trade this strategy live, or in real time, I should say, not really live. I'll be recording my trades, so you'll see how the strategy plays out and how quickly and easily we make $1,000 a day. All right, I'll check you guys on the next video.